ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसभाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारभद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्निग्धम् सारवतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम्
अनवद्यं च सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुभूवार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं
ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुक् ये ओङ् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् ञमङणनं जभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खफछठथ छटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
सूत्राणि
अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां भूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु ओदौ तोः कण्ठौष्टम् वकारस्य दन्तौष्टम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वाङ्गुलीयस्य जिह्वाङ्गुल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिस्तदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामशरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान् मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान् मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्तयेतदोरूपम्
तदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
अदसस्तु
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
आदेश आगमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशा प्रकीर्तिताः
सदृशं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु सर्वासु च विभक्तिषु वचनेषु च सर्वेषु यन्नव्येति तदव्ययम् स्तु औजस् औषस् ताभ्यां भिस् ज्ञेभ्यां भ्यस् नसिभ्यां भ्यस् नस् ओस् आम् नि ओसुप् सु औजस् All these shabdas, we know by heart, right? Yes or no? Why no sound?
Supposed to know by heart.
Supposed to know. And from Marut onwards, we learn the derivation also. Patitavatu, patitavati, that we will see. Dhimat also, dhimati, bhavata, bhavati. All these are, takaranta and Strilinga Shabda, also Ikaranta. Asmad, Ishmad. We will chant that every class. When Nakaranta Shabda starts, then Nakaranta only we were seeing. After the chanting Asmad Shabda, Nishmad, the doubts are there. For Nakaranta, we will clarify that. Nakarantaha Asmad Shabdaha Trishilingeshu Samana Rupaha.
Takarantah asmat shabdah trishu lingeshu samana.
See, generally we study just to learn Kriya Padam, verbs, and then Shabda. But I do Shabda first and then Kriya Padam. Shabda, I'm not asking to learn the derivation, but memorization is important. Without that, I will use the words. Vocabulary is important. Kriya Padam, of course, we are learning. Then to start with the left lakara, other lakaras will come. But when we start studying lessons, infant reader, or reader 1, reader 2, reader 3, many other, we should know what the words, what vibhakti, what vachanam, what karaka, etc. So first, therefore, we need to be familiar with the shabdas instead of giving the book and asking to memorize. Nobody will come after that. We'll take the Shabda Manjari book and go back and never come. In the tradition, they give Shabda Manjari, ask you to memorize and come. But that's why we are doing every class. It takes some time to memorize some of the shabdas. It's okay, but memorization should be done. And some shabdas we can learn the derivation also. In addition that we learn some of the rules, special rules involved in that. That you will see applied, being applied in other places also. So Asmad Shabda, for example, we will not do derivation. Never. We'll never learn, don't worry. But I have taught the derivations, everything. How it is derived from Asmad Shabda, applying the rules. That is in Panini only. That also it is said not required. But anyway, I have taught Asmad Shabda in detail for the advanced students. Even Gurukulam I was teaching, I taught, and online also I did once. But we don't require all those now. When we study Panini, that time we will see. But Shabda should be memorized. Given a word, what vibhakti, what vachanam. To be able to recognize and to be able to use also. Therefore, this Asmad and Yushmad, very challenging. These two are challenging shabdas. Even if we know Sanskritam, we keep chanting this. In our course, we were doing every class. Our teacher will ask us which one of us to chant in rounds. Every class. That's why we are doing this. Aham avam vayam.
Aham avam vayam.
Mama avam no asmannaha.
Mama avam no asmannaha.
Maya avabhyam asmabhihi.
Maya avabhyam
Madhyam me abhabhyam no asmabhyam naha. Mat abhabhyam asmat. Mama me avayoho no asmakam naha. Mayi avayoho asmasu. Nakarantaha Yushmat Shabdaha Trishulingeshu Samana Rupaha.
युष्मत् शब्दः त्रिलिङ्गेषु समानरूपः
Tvam yuvam yuyam.
Tvam yuyam.
Tvam tva yuvam vam yushman vaha.
Tvam yuvam yushmannaha.
Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi.
Tvaya yuvavyam yushmabhihi.
स्तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः
तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः
युष्मभ्यं वः
तत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत्
त्वत्
युवाभ्यां
युवाभ्यां
युष्मते
तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः
तव
तपते
देवयो वां
युवयोः
युष्माकं
वां
वः
युष्माकं
त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु
त्वयि
त्वयि
युवयोः
युवयोः
युष्मासु
युष्मासु
नकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः करिन् शब्दः
नकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
simple shabda. We learn the derivation also. This one is asambuddhisu. There the form is kari upadadirgattam nakarasya lopaha. Right? Kari karino karinaha
करी
करी
करिणौ
करिणौ
करिणः
करिणः
karinam karino karinaha
करिणं
करिणं
करिणौ
करिणौ
करिणः
करिणः
karina karibhyam karibihi
करिणा करिभ्यां
करिभ्यां
करिभिः
करिभिः
karine karibhyam karibhyah
करिणे
करिणे
करिभ्यां
करिभ्यां
करिभ्यः
karinah karibhyam karibhyah
करिणः
करिणः
करिभ्यां
करिभ्यां
करिभ्यः
करिभ्यः
karinah karinoh karinam
करिणः
करिणोः
करिणोः करिणां
करिणां
karini karinoh karishu
करिणे
करिणे
करिणोः
करिणोः
करिषु
करिषु
karin karinau karinah
करिन्
करिणौ
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 करिणः
करिणः
the same way you take some few shabdas and please do the derivation. I saw the homework of Giriji. You have sent the shabda. Where is the derivation? Derivations pratama dvitiya tritiya
Full steps also, is it?
huh?
You want the full steps each.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll
at
see
least.
it again.
And Krishnamaji you have done only for Brunahan.
No, actually, Brahmahan also I have done it, but forgot to send it. It's there here.
Okay, you do it at least once. We are going to do now only. After that, when will you do? Then you will probably, when you teach your students, you may do. That time only you will do. Correct. So do
Ajay.
it now.
I didn't send you the homework. Sorry.
Okay. So then the Karin Shabda is easy. That is why it is there first. Now, Ananta Shabda. Nakarantaha Pullingaha Rajan Shabdaha.
नकारन्तः
नकारान्तः
पुल्लिङ्गः राजन् शब्दः
What is the difference between these two?
Ananta Inanta
Ananta, Inanta.
Ananta, Inanta. And Rajan also, Inanta is, I'm sorry, Ananta is preceded by,
non-conjunct
that's important, non-conjunct. Therefore, A will,
Upada Dirgha Bhavati.
okay. Uparadirga, of course, happens for
Sambuddhi.
when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Right? Raja, no, not only Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi. Uparadirgatvam happens and Nakara Lopa happens for all. Ananta. Inanta only one Uparadirgatvam Nakara Lopa, right? And Bhasanya, what happens? That an of a preceded by a non-conjunct. Therefore, akarasya lopaha bhavati. Akara becomes lopaha. So, akara will become lopaha. That is general. When it is preceded by a conjunct and the conjunct ending with makara vakara, then it will not become lopaha.
Yes.
Otherwise, even when preceded by a conjunct, when it is not ending with vakara makara, the lopa will happen. We don't have any shabda. Don't worry. Just say. Okay. So remember this. These are the points you have to remember. Did you go through the table? Table, I summarize everything. All the, the steps which are there. It's covered. You have the table, you understand it is done. Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha.
Raja
Rajano
Rajanah
Did you all go through the table? Understand, right?
Yes.
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 Rajanam, Rajano, Rajnyaha.
Rajanam
Rajanam Rajah
Rajnya, Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi.
Rajna Rajabhyam Rajabhihi.
Rajnya is there. Agnya. Rajnya, Agnya looks same, right? Is it Agyan Shabda?
No.
Ajan Shabda. Agnya is Akaranta Srilinga Shabda Pratama Ekavacham. It looks same, huh? But it is not. Nakaranta. Agnya, Akaranta. Agnya, Anugnya, etc. Rajne, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyaha.
Rajne Rajabhyam
Rajnyaha, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyaha. Rajnyaha, Rajnyoho, Rajnyam. Ragi, Rajani, Rajnyoho, Rajasu. Rajan, Rajano, Rajanaha. Magiman will become Magima. Gariman, Garima. Lagiman, Lagima. Right?
Yes.
Jema cha me, Magima cha me, Varima cha me, Pratima cha me, Varshma cha me. What is it all? Jeman Shabda. Jema, Jemano, Jemanaha, Putrasti.
Chamakam.
Chamakam. Second Anuvaka is there. Jema. Jeman Shabda. Jema, Jemano. The declension will be like that. Chamakam. Magima. Magiman Shabda. Varima. Variman Shabda. Prathima. Prathiman Shabda. Varshma. Varshman. All these are Nakaranta Shabda.
So some pattern is there.
All are Nakaranta. You can easily spot. Don't think this is Akaranta Shabda. Huh? All these are Nakaranta. Jeman, Magiman, Variman, Pratiman, Varshman. They are more Nakaranta. We have learned also. Okay. Now, let us see these are the Shabdas we have seen. Rajan, Magiman, some example where An is preceded by a non-conjunct. Atman, Yajvan, and Murdan. Atman, Yajvan is an example for when the A is preceded by a conjunct ending with Vakara and Nakara. And Murdan is another example where we see that An is preceded by a conjunct, but the conjunct is not ending with.
Karar.
I said the Shabda, not the Shabita. Huh? Shabda is there. Murdan, I myself given. I've given this. Murdan is there. So it is there. Okay, it's not there, it is not there, it is there. There also is also like Rajan only, Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Murdan, in fact, I told before we did also. Then Inanta, you can see Upada Dirgatum, Na Lopaha. Na Lopaha means not Lopaha Na Bhavati. Nakarasya Lopaha. Please understand. Na Lopaha is Nakarasya Lopaha. Na Lopaha means don't Lopa, no Lopa. That is not the meaning. It's a compound. Nakarasya Lopaha, Na Lopaha. Na means Nakara. Okay. So you can follow this. Then Ba Sangyam, Ba Angam is I given only 2, 3. Only one I given. In the same format, all the other Ba Anga. Similarly, Padam also I have given 3, 2. So 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 3 will be like that. You need to apply whatever the Sandhi rules are there that you apply. Okay. Rajanam, Rajano. Okay, that correct it. Rajanam, Rajano. Okay, then one question was asked. The Nakara Lopaha. What is the question now you ask me, Niraj?
So, if we take Rajan Shabda in 8-1, the Lopa doesn't happen. It remains Rajan only. But in 1-1, the Lopa happens. Nakara Lopa happens. So I wanted to understand the difference.
One
Because
is
in, for example, in what happens in 1-1 is the su pratyaya, the first su sakara gets lopa,
Hmm.
and then this is a padam.
Hmm.
And then is it because of that that the nakara gets lopa, or some other rule?
No, the question, see, in both the cases, su goes away, right?
Yes,
In 1-1 and 8-1, su goes away.
yes.
What is the difference then between the two?
Sambuddhi and asambuddhi.
Because of asambuddhi, upada dirghatam happens in 1-1.
Yeah,
That doesn't happen for 8-1. That's a difference, right?
yes.
And su lopaha, of course, it happens. That is not connected to any special rule of nakaranta. So generally, when followed, sir, apratyaya kal pratyaya following a consonant will drop. Then nakara, now we have upada dirghatam doesn't happen for 8-1 asambuddhi, sambuddhi. Asambuddhi, it happens, yes. Now nakara lopa doesn't happen for 8-1, it's a specific rule.
Hmm.
It's a specific rule. Therefore, 8-1 nakara lopa doesn't happen. Right? So what is the doubt? 8-1, there also we have nakara at the, which is at the end of the pratipadikam, and it's at the end of the padam also. That will not become lopaha as a rule, exception. So therefore, nakara lopa doesn't happen. Whereas here it is asambuddhi, therefore lopa happens.
I think the doubt was because I looked at the sutra, and sutra says when it is a pratipadika and a padam, then
No, this is no sutra.
so it says
That's why I was hesitating to send this document. Sutrams are there. People who know little, they'll confuse with the sutra. Not required for us now at this stage. Anyway, but you ask and I tell what is that. Without sutra, I will not go into that. Now, what is this nakara? Nakara at the end of the pratipadika, right? So, tu has not become lopaha. So, pada dirghatam happens, a becomes a. Therefore, Rajan is can be understood as, that is the nakara, which is nakaranta pratipadikasya. Is it okay?
Yes.
yes.
Nakaranta pratipadikasya. This is Rajan. We can refer to Rajan as nakaranta pratipadikasya, nakarantasya pratipadikasya, and make it into individual word. Now here Rajan is there. This I'll cut, put it here. This Rajan nakarantasya pratipadikasya, and this Rajan, which is nakarantasya padasya. Nakarantasya padasya. The rule is nakarantasya pratipadikasya padasya lopaha bhavati, goes away.
So
Is
actually,
that-
this was the doubt because after this su has come, it is not pratipadika anymore. It has become
Yes.
a subanta. It is a
Yeah.
padam. So this is why
The
I got
rules, that's what the rule says. Nakarantasya, that's why how did I explain? If you see, this is a bit confusing if you go by sutra. That's why I said nakara, which is at the end of the pratipadikam, that is also at the end of the padam. That nakara will drop. This is how I explained the nakara lopa. Nakara at the end of the pratipadikam and that nakara which is at the end of the padam, that nakara will become lopaha. So nakarantasya pratipadikasya, nakarantasya padasya. So joining these two, nakarantasya pratipadikasya padasya lopaha bhavati. This is what the vritti you will see,
yes.
right?
But yeah, this that's what the confusion was. That in the first step, Rajan is pratipadikam.
Is it clear
And
now?
in second step, Rajan is padam. So I was not understanding how it can simultaneously be both, especially given that It is followed
Here it
by.
is not, but in case of 3, 2, 3, 3, it is both.
Okay.
There it is, right? In case of 3, 3, 2, bhyam, what happens there?
There it is. Because
There it
there
is.
halagi
That is
also.
why I explained this rule as nakara at the end of the pratipadikam and that nakara at the end of the padam also. That nakara will drop. That's why I explained this rule. Okay. So that's what I am. Now, this is the vritti you will see in the Sutra, Kashika, or Siddhanta Kaumudi, whatever it is. Nakarantasya pratipadikasya, nakarantasya padasya, nakarasya lopaha bhavati, right? Put together, you get this. Easy to understand. Okay. Okay. So, we have done Rajan and Atman, so many shabdas we have done. Karin, Vritrahan and all, etc. There was addition. That also we have seen. Vritrahan, Brunahan, Brahman, what is that? Atmahan, etc. So I have done Vritrahan, one example, Ananta, one Inanta, Ananta, Rajan, and Atman, that A is preceded by a conjunct. Other examples, you can try. Or you want me to do it? Can you do it? Yes. Yes. So, if you know Vritrahan, the same way you can do Brahmahan, Atmahan, etc. Only that thing is you have to see whether Nattam happens or not. For that, one special rule we have seen. Even in a compound also. Before we said Nattam happens only for Samana, the same padam, within the same padam. Now we are saying it will happen even in a compound, provided the nimitta is there in the Purva padam, and the Uttara padam must have one vowel. And nakara, not at the end of the padam, the Uttara padam, and in Uttara padam must have one vowel, then Nattam will happen. Otherwise, it will not. That Uttara padam having vowel, it is, you can see that in 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. When it comes to 2, 3, that is ba anga, that a is dropped, like Rajan. Once it dropped, there is no ekach, one vowel not there, even a vowel itself not there in the Uttarapada. Such cases, Nattam will not happen. It's a special rule. Here, in fact, this is not a rule. This is Nattam will not happen. Nattam will happen only when the Uttarapadam has one vowel. Ekach Uttarapadam. And Purvapadam, we have the Nimitta. This is some special rule for Nattam, applicable here. Okay. And if there are letters intervening, which are not allowed, then it will not happen like in the case of Brunahan. Also we saw. You have to work out by yourself. If you find difficult, you tell me, I will do it in the class. That's why I asked you to work out. You have to do it. See, you don't have to do everything. 1, 1 you do, and 2, 3, and 3, 2. 3 things, it's enough. It means you understand this, everything is understood. 1, 1 special. Upada dirgatvam nakara lopa happens. And 2, 3 ba anga, 1 you do. And 3, 2 pada sanya, pada anga, 1 you do. It's enough. Other things are same. Right? Only it's very simple actually. That's what I have given in the summary here. Su aujas out. Su upada dirgatvam na lopaha happens. Whereas upada dirgatvam happens for all the ananta. Inanta, that also not there only for one alone. Upada dirgatvam na lopaha. It doesn't happen for other sarvanamasana pratyaya. In ba anga, what will happen? Anantasya akara will become lopaha. When it is not preceded by a conjunct ending with akara makara, like the example Rajan, Murdan, these two are the examples for that. If A is preceded by a conjunct, then akara lopa will not happen. So Atmanaha, one example, ba angam. Similarly, pada anga, where same as the 1, 1, nakara lopa will happen, then join. Simple. Whatever sandhi rule. There's no sandhi rule here, because once you nakara lopa happens, then you will have the A plus Bhyam, Raja plus Bhyam. What sandhi? A plus Bhyam, no sandhi, just to join. So Raja Bhyam, Atma Bhyam, Kari Bhyam, Guni Bhyam, simple. Then Ananta, there are special shabdas, compounds. There we have Same like inanta, only in one alone, nakara lopa. Upada dirghatam and nakara lopa happens only for asambuddhisu, not for other sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Vritrahan is a special case where nattam happens. Vritrahan, brahmahan, etc. For that, nattam rule, special rule. What about in bhanga? That alopaha happens and no nattam. That is common for all, whether it is vritrahan or drunahan, whatever it is. And here, Padanga is very simple. Nakara lopa, just join. Vitrahabhyam, Drunahabhyam, Brahmahabhyam. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You,
Sharanji.
you please try. Then only you will understand. I can do all. Maybe later I will do. You want me to do it? Can you do it? See, it's not only doing, you have to memorize also. Okay. Now we have explained Nakaranta Shabda. Slowly we will see Sakaranta, etc. Not the file what I said Nakaranta. It's a long file. Don't see the other Shabda which is out of scope. We have Pushan, Aryaman, Underman, so many other Shabdas I have that is all not required. Only these Shabdas alone, whatever I taught, that alone is enough. Don't see other Shabdas. Slowly we will learn other Shabda later. So Raja, now Raja is what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
1-1.
1-1.
1-1. Here only we started. From that only Nakaranta Shabda I started explaining. So now if you see the list of Shabda, this Shabda, this book, all the Shabdas, last Shabda was Atman. With that everything, this is done. The whole book now you should be knowing by heart. Only how many Shabdas? 35 Shabdas are there. Those is Takara Shabda, Takaranta Shabda, special Shabda, those they will see this 26 to 31. That may be useful later, but we can learn. This Ikaranta is easy. Patitavati is like what Shabda?
Nadi.
Nadi Shabdavati. Patitavati means referring to the person. The
Who
person is
read?
Strilinga, woman, Strilinga, and not woman, sorry, Strilinga, because anything could be right. Strilinga. Utpitika Patati, table reads, why not? The word Strilinga. Patitavati, Ikaranta Shabda, Nadi Shabdavati. Table read, not reads. Patitavati has got a dhatu. Pat dhatu is that. It is derived from that. So Patitavati, Ikaranta Shabda, Dhimati, the one who has got Dhi, Buddhi, Dhimati, Ikaranta Shabda, Srilinga. Bhavati, not one who has got Bu. Bhavati is Bhavati, Bhavatyo, Bhavatyaha, you two, you are Srilinga. Okay. Madhyama Purusha, it is Madhyama Purusha, Bhavati is. Bhavati means you. Here, Bhavati is you. Okay. Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha, we have got only one Shabda, Yushmat. But we have Bhavat and Bhavati in Pullinga and Srilinga, even Napumsakalinga also. We have this Shabda, which is special Shabda. When we can use this when we address a respectable person, Bhavati. So Nadi Shabda, you know, Bhavati also, you know. So among the Shabda, Ikaranta, take it out. So what is left out is Patitavat, one type, Dhimat, another type, and Bhavat, that is a special type. These three types alone left out. That we will see later. Otherwise, this whole document, 35 Shabdas, you should know by now. Okay. Namaha. Namaha is, how do you decline Namaha? Namaha, Namahu, Namaha.
1-1.
1-1. Rama
1-1.
Shabdavati.
Rama Shabdavati.
Indeclinable.
It's an indeclinable. Vyaya it is. It is from the Nam Dhatu. Namas is the word. Namas is the Avyaya. Avyaya Pradipadikam becomes Avyaya Padam. Su you add, Su will go away. Then you get a Padasanya, Padanta Sakara becoming Ru, Ru becoming Repa, Namaha, Avyayam, indeclinable.
But there is Nama Shabda also.
There, Naman is there. Where is Namashabda? Namashabda not there.
Sanskrit Abhyasa, they have Nama Shabda also.
There,
In some site, there is a Nama Shabda declination also.
Namaha, Namo, Namaha.
Yes.
Not
And
cannot
is-
be Namaha. It could be something else. Shamaha, Damaha.
And it is in all cases. Strilingi, Pullingi, and Napusalingi.
Then the Pratipadikam, then it is not a Namas. It is maybe a different. That is.
Pratipadikam is
Pratipadikam is Akaranta Shabda. Don't see that. That's confusing. It will be confusing. Namas here, what I mean, Namas is Sakaranta. It is the Avyayam. It is indeclinable. Namaha from the Dhatu, Nam Dhatu, Namaha Nama derivation is possible. That may be possible. Namaha would have given, but I don't think any site would be so advanced of the given like that. Maybe a mistake, because to give that Shabda, that the site must have known how it is derived. Nam plus one pratyaya is a ach pratyaya, which we don't know what it is. Don't worry. Like pach, from that we get pachaha, pachayaha referring to the person who cooks. Namaha maybe referring to the person who does namaskara. But I don't think the site would go to that extent to derive, because so many other Akaranta Shabdas are there. Why you should talk about Namaha? It will not do. There'll be a mistake there. Okay. So don't worry about that. What site is there? You send me the link, I will see.
I sent it.
Okay. I'll see that. So Namaha, here it is.
Declinable.
Shabda. So indeclinable. It's very clear, indeclinable. Okay. Oh, this Samskrita Abhyasa. Okay. So you have to be careful. Here it is just a programming has done. So we are not sure how the word is derived, where it is given.
Right.
So this is just a programming. If you enter a word, then it will keep just a decline. So it's not the right one, huh?
Yes.
You don't go by this.
Yes.
This is just a computer programming. They have not fed any rules at all. So just if you enter anything, Akaranta, you will add the pratyaya and then give the forms.
Right.
So that this is not the one. Say, and it's given Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. No, that's not the one. Okay, Diva. Now, if you feed the same thing into the side, the Diva, it will decline. You see the Diva Shabda, Diva, Dive, Divaha, it will decline. That is not possible. Diva is indeclinable. That is also indeclinable. The site doesn't know. It just goes by some algorithm, something it goes. So there are no rules there. So Diva is indeclinable. Pustakeshu.
7-3.
7-3.
Pratipadikam,
Napumsakalinga.
Pustaka.
Yes. Atma.
1-1.
Atma.
Atman
Pratipadikam. Atman. You know very well now Atman. Brahma. I can never forget. Huh? Janma. Janma. Jantunam Narajanma Durlabham. What is Janma?
It looks like a Makara.
Sambodhana.
It's like Makaranta Shabda.
No, not
Is it
Makara.
Sambodhana?
No.
A Janma. Oh, birth.
Janman,
A Rajan. Huh?
because
Where is Sambodhana? Nakara, where is Nakara? Nakara is gone. Huh?
Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda. Janma is Janman Shabda.
Janman.
Ayyo. What Ayyo? Not Ayyo. Oh, Ayyo for taking Janma. That is okay. That is I understand. Ayyo.
Lots of meanings according to me.
Ayyo. Manisha Janma. Next Janma. Ayyo. Not Janma. We don't know. That Ayyo is okay. But not in learning.
Everything.
This is Janman Shabda. Why it has not become Janma, Janmano, Janmanaha?
it has
Because
Kanjan point.
This is a Napumsakalinga. So far we have learned only Pullinga. The linga is Napumsakalinga. Janman Shabda. It means what? The table tells you, now you learn Napumsakalinga, Nakaranta Shabda. Ready? We'll learn that.
Yes.
Nakaranta Shabda. So Pullinga is, we have done Pullinga. What about Strilinga? Okay, for Strilinga, so see, if you take Magiman Shabda for example, Magiman is Pullinga, right?
Mahima.
Strilinga will be,
Mahima.
oh, Strilinga Magima. Then Pullinga Pratama Vyakti is Magima. How is Strilinga Magima?
Nandi.
To convert this Nakaranta Shabda, you
Mahimani.
add up one Pratyaya. It's
Mahimani.
called the Ngeep Pratyaya. Don't worry about Ngeep. If you know Ngeep, it is, don't know Ngeep, it's okay, nothing wrong. Content is E. E, remember. See, generally, all Strilinga Shabdas, you know, it will be ending with the Dirgha, right? The vowel. If it is vowel, E Karanta, A Karanta, Ikaranta also is there. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rasa Ikaranta. Now here, to convert this Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda, add the E.
Mahimani.
Then it becomes, what happens?
Money.
Magimani. Really, Magimani.
Mahimani.
This is similar to what follows here. Is it Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya?
E.
Is it Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya? Yes or no?
No.
No.
It is no. It is
No.
because Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas are
Two oujas and Amman out.
out for Pullinga and Strilinga.
Yes.
And this E must be now
Asarvanama.
exactly. When
Jati.
Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what does the enjoy? Magiman enjoy Sanya?
Bha.
Exactly.
They either yeah.
Ba, therefore, this ba ending with the
A will become Lopa.
exactly. I will become Lopa. Therefore, what you will have? Magim. E. This is Ikaranta Shabda. Magimni. Rajan you take. Rajan is Pullinga. You want a Strilinga. Rajan is Raja the king. What about the queen?
Ragni.
Neep
Ragni.
is Rajan plus E. E is it
Ragni.
Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya?
No.
No.
Asarvanama.
Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. See,
So,
Asarvanamasthana is not only confined to the 21 Pratyayas. Please understand. That which is not Sarvanamasthana is Asarvanamasthana only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Excuse
That
me.
which is not Sarvanamasthana is Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya only. Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas are only Suvaujas.
Yes. Amo.
Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, anything which are not Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana, that Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya could be of this Supratyaya or could be any Pratyayas added to the Pratipadikam. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Karanji, a girl I know her name is Mahima. Is it wrong?
Grammatical Sanskritam wise it is wrong, but in you should
Sounds
keep
nice.
Magimni. Yeah.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, it's wrong only, but anyway, what to do? We keep like that. In English, we have Akaranta Shabda means it is Strilinga. Some notion we have something like that. Our naming and all is wrong. Strictly speaking, if we are naming and all, it is wrong. But we keep fashion, Magima. Magima means Pullinga, Pullinga Shabda, Magima. Magimni is proper. Okay, anyway, so now he is Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. It is not Sarvanamasthana, therefore Asarvanamasthana. And therefore, when Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, this enjoys the Sanya Bha. Ba ending with an. And A is preceded by a non-tangent. Therefore, A will become Lopa.
Ragnya. Ragni.
Nakara, Nakara comes in contact. Nakara will also be replaced by Nakara. Therefore, Agni. Like 2, 3 we have done. Same thing. Rajnyaha, Rajnya. Yes or no? Rajye, Rajnyaha, Rajnyaha. Shrimata, Shimha, Rajni. Ikaranta Shabda. We can convert this into a Strilinga Shabda. Similarly, what about Karin? Now, these two are Ananta. Karin Shabda, Karin is Pullinga. when you decline in Pullinga, Kari, Karino, Karinaha. What about in Srilinga? Karin plus E.
Karini.
What will happen? What pratyaya is this?
Asarvanama.
Then what will happen here?
So it will non-lopavati.
E will become Lopaha, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
If E become Lopaha, then everywhere E should have become Lopaha. You will not have Karinaha.
Oh, it will happen in this case only for the first one. That's why it doesn't become.
One man also, where does it happen? E Lopa.
It won't happen, I'm saying. Yeah.
It will not happen for any
Okay.
Inanta.
Yes.
It will not happen for Inanta.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why Inanta is simple.
Yes.
Therefore, Karin plus E,
Karini.
Karini.
Karini. And Natvam,
Natvam.
Yes.
Karini.
Happens.
Karini. It
Rini.
is not Karini only, not Karini. Karini, Natvam, female elephant. Okay, so we have converted Pullinga to Srilinga. Therefore, Srilinga is easy now. Ikaranta Shabda we know, Nadi Shabda. Can decline like that. Adhikarin, Sannyasin, take anything, any Shabda. Now,
Yeah.
Adhikarin will become Srilinga. Directly we can write.
Adhikari.
Adhikarini. Nothing happens or not? That
Yes.
happens. Sannyasin, Nakaranta Shabda. Pullinga.
Sannyasini.
Sannyasini. Can decline. Vritrahan, for example. That also we can do. Why not? Atmahan is okay. Let's take Atmahan. Atmahan, Pullinga. Atmaha, Atmahanu, Atmanaha. Srilinga.
Ghani.
Atmaghni.
Atmagni.
Atmahani.
Atmahani. Atma is honey, right? Atmagni. Atman plus Ni Pratyaya. Okay, this I will do. Ni Pratyaya, that is E.
Mani.
Therefore, it will become Atmahan will enjoy what Sanya?
Atmagni.
What Sanya?
Sanya.
Ba Sanya. And here we have done Ba Sanya. What is the Naha? Happens or not?
Yes.
Akara of An becomes Lopaha. Nattam will not happen. Therefore, we have Atmag. Then E. Atmagni. Right?
Yes.
Srilinga. Can decline like Rajan Shabda. Sorry, Nadi Shabda. Understand? So, Pullinga, Srilinga, Nakaranta Shabda, we have done. Yes or no?
Yes.
Pullinga and Srilinga, we have done. Now, what is left out?
Napumsakalinga.
Pumsakalinga. Okay, one more Shabda, like Karin. Gunin Shabda, for example, Gunin. In Pullinga, how do you decline Gunin Shabda?
Kuni.
Guni, not Tamil Guni, huh?
Guni.
Guni, one who has got Guna is called Gunin. Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, like Karin. No difference at all. Same. Written here. Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, Guninam, Guninau, Guninaha, Gunina, Gunibhyam, Gunibihi. Can you chant like that without singing?
Yes.
That's abhyasa. Practice you have to do. Gunine, Gunibhyam, Gunibhyaha, Guninaha, Gunibhyam, Gunibhyaha, Guninaha, Gunino, Gunina, Gunini, Gunindo, Gunishu, Ye Guni, Ye Gunino, Ye Guninaha. Do like that. So be so spontaneous. So now Gunin Shabda, Srilinga will be same thing. Gunin plus E. Then you get
Gunini.
Gunini. Ikaranta. Srilinga Shabda. Why I am doing Gunini? Because we are going to see the same Gunin Shabda in Napumsakalinga also. In Pullinga, we have done Gunin Shabda. Srilinga also we know Gunini Shabda, like Nadi Shabda. In Napumsakalinga also we will see this Gunin Shabda. That is different. Now to know Napumsakalinga, certain things we need to understand. What are the Sarvanamastana Pratyayas?
So just amount.
Wow, just
1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 and 8 1 8 2 8 3.
What are the Sarvanamastana Pratyayas for Napumsakalinga? I asked Napumsakalinga.
Yes,
that
and
is
Shas.
only yes and Shas.
Yes and Shas.
Only 1 3 2 3.
Yes.
1 3 2 3. Yes.
8, 3, of course, same as 2, 3,
Yeah.
1, 3,
Yes.
therefore it is. Right?
Yes.
Only 2. Just and shas alone.
Yes, anxious.
Therefore, Naman plus Su. Now see, Nakaranta Shabda, Naman Shabda. Naman is name. Tava nama kim, Mama nama, Sharanaha. That Naman,
Yes.
right? Name. It is a Nakaranta Shabda and it is Ananta, right?
Yes.
An. So, Naman plus Su. Su is what pratyaya?
Ekal
Sarv-
Ekal prit.
Is it Sranamastana pratyaya or not?
Sarvanamasthana.
Yes.
No, sir.
Sarvanam-
Is it Napumsakalinga, sir?
No, no,
What
no,
time
no.
is Sranamastana pratyaya, sir?
Not for Nabumsakaling.
Asarvanam.
It is not Sranamastana pratyaya. Why I'm saying? Because Upada Dirghatam will not happen.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it will become Nama,
Yes.
right? But suppose if this is part of the compound and the compound is Pullinga, it is possible.
Hmm.
Okay. If it is a part of the compound and in the compound, it is possible. But here we are taking only Naman Shabda as such. It is Napumsakalinga. And this is not Sranamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, Upada Dirghatam will not happen. Apruktayakal Pratyaya following a consonant, therefore it will
Go.
drop. Then we have Naman. Then what will happen to Naman? But here, actually, it is not dropping. But anyway, it is okay. I'm saying dropping. It's okay. Yeah, it is dropping only. Yeah, sorry. It is
But the
dropping only.
Sakara follow. Oh, okay. That is only
Yeah.
for Sarvanam.
Takara drops. Yes, it is drops. But some other rule it drops. But here we don't have to know all those things now. It's okay. Takara is drop. Because too much rules might not be not proper. I mean, this time we cannot learn all those things. Napumsakali, we have a special rule. So Sakara drops.
So
Same
Sakara
as
drops
Raja.
only for normally Sakara drops only for Sarvanamasthana
Because
Pratyaya.
it is Apruktayakal Pratyaya drops.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Therefore now we have got what? Naman.
Mhm.
Nakara, what will happen to Nakara?
It will drop because it
That's
is
it.
yeah.
Therefore, Nama you take.
Pratipadikam and Padam Nakara, it will drop.
Therefore, Naman Shabda, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is Nama. Therefore, what will be the for Janman now?
Janma.
Janma.
That is what is there in the table.
1.
It is 1. Understand?
Yes.
So if you know Nama Shabda, Janma Shabda also, we know all Anand Shabda, we can easily extend to that. Okay. This is a special rule that is not required, I said. So don't worry about that. Su and for all the Napumsakalinga Shabdas, except Akaranta Shabda becomes look. Look also means Lopaha. I will put, instead of look, I will write, it will disappear because there is enough. Otherwise, you will ask, what is look? Not English look. Don't look at it. Disappear. That's enough. Will disappear. Su, what is Su? 8, 1 and 1, 1. And what is
I'm
2, 1. Su or just For all the Napumsakalinga Shabda except Akaranta. Why I say Akaranta? If Akaranta, it also drops, then you will not have Pala Shabda. Palam you will not have. What you will have? Pala only. Right? Pala Shabda you take for example. What is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam?
Pala. Pala.
Pratama Bhakti
Pala.
Ekavachanam.
Palam.
Palam.
Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is
Palam.
Palam. Palam plus Su. Su
Palam.
is not dropped. If it drops, then you will have Pala. You don't have that form. In fact, Su is replaced by Then Pala plus Palam. Not Savana Dirgha. We have exception. Exception also, I think I taught you. Huh? No? No, I think we have not done. We will see that. Similarly, Pala plus Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. There also we have Palam. This is for Akaranta Shabda. Only for Akaranta Shabda, the Su and even though is there, but still, you have to replace it both by Just do it. Nothing happens, same thing. Palam. But here we are dealing with not Akaranta. So any Shabda other than Akaranta, the Su and will drop for Napumsakalinga. This is number 1. Okay. Second thing. It is not required for us. Naman plus au. What will happen?
Namano.
Namano.
Namanau. No. So for Napumsakalinga, please note this au and out. What is au and out?
Out
Same.
is the pratyaya, and then out is the content.
Mhm.
1, 2, and
1, 2, and 2, 2.
1, 2, and 2, 2.
1, 2 and 2, 2.
2, 2.
They also have some special sanya.
Yes.
I have given here aungaha. It's okay. This au and out, you know what will happen? This au and out, replace it by, it's a rule. For Napumsakalinga, okay. What is the Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam of Pala Shabda? Pala plus au.
Palay, pala. Palay.
A plus au, what's supposed to happen?
Hello.
Palau.
It should be Palau.
A plus au, what's in the supposed to be?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi, right?
It's Vriddhi.
But it is not palau. It is palam.
Palay.
Play,
Pale.
play.
If it is pale, then what should be here?
A,
A.
If it is a, then become palai. Come on, huh?
E,
Oh, yeah,
must
sorry.
E. It should be E.
It must be
E.
what?
E.
E.
E or E. Anything, right?
E.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
That is what is happening here actually. For all Napumsakalinga, what happens? 1, 2 and 2, 2. Replace it by E. It's a rule. That's why Palam Shabda, we have Pale. That au and out are replaced by E. Therefore, Guna Sandhi, Palam, Pale. So Pala Shabda also now you know Palam 1, 1 and Pale 1, 2 also you know now how it is derived,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Same thing here. Naman plus au and out 1, 2 and 2, 2. Napumsakalinga. Only for Napumsakalinga. Don't extend to other Pullinga and all. Will be
Namani.
replaced by E. Au and out are called technically Aung. Aung is a name. Aung is a name given by Prachina Vyakarana. That name is there. Just to note the name, it's enough. They are replaced by what?
E.
For Napumsakalinga, this I will remove that. For Napumsakalinga, okay, this that is required actually. I will modify that. Waiting. Replace Aung, if you know the name, it's okay. Otherwise, Aung and out. Replace it by not she, it is E. We don't know what she is. E is better. Okay, replace it by E. Rule not required. And now, therefore, you get Naman
Namani.
plus E.
Namani.
When Naman plus E,
Namani.
then what will happen?
Namani.
Naman plus E.
Namani.
Namani.
For Napumsakalinga Shabda, that when E follows, E of what? E is there in only 1, 2 and 2, 2. The akara of Ananta, this Ananta or not?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
enjoy what sanya, then followed by E, which is not Sravanamastana. What Pratyaya?
Is Basagna.
Ba sanya, yes, very good. Ba sanya. Therefore, Asranamastana Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Then, particularly for 1, 2 and 2, 2, there is a rule, special rule, that when followed by au or out, that is E, that akara of this ba dropping is optional. Therefore, without dropping a, we have namani.
Namani.
Dropping a, you have.
Now,
Namni.
That's why we have 2 forms.
hmm.
This is special for Napumsakalinga.
Too many rules.
So for too many rules, huh? Otherwise, you memorize. So that also okay, your choice. Akara of for 1, 2 and 2, 2, it is dropped optionally. Therefore, Nama,
Namani.
Namni.
Namani.
See, this is very simple action, Napumsakalinga. Only Pratama Vibhakti, if you know. Same thing for Dvitiya Vibhakti. And Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, it is simple. General common rule applies.
Okay.
Therefore, Napumsakalinga is simple. What rule, special rule you have learned? Only 1, 2 and 2, 2, we have learned that akara of an lopa happens optionally. That is what we have learned now. Therefore, two forms are there. And for 1-1, that this drops, upada dirghatam doesn't happen. Nakara also becomes lopaha nama. So for nama, namani, namni, two forms are there.
Yes.
And 1-3, which is just is what pratyaya?
Napumsakalinga.
Sarvanama sthana pratyaya. Therefore, this doesn't enjoy basanya. Please
Yes.
note.
Yes.
Therefore, what will happen when Sarvanamastana Sanya, Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows Ananta Upada?
Dirgha bhavati.
That
Dirgha.
happens.
Nama.
After that, what will happen? This Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
That also we have a rule that jas and shes, which are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya for Napumsakalinga, replace it by E, short E. Replace it by short E.
Short
Jas
E.
and shes are replaced by E.
E.
Here what? Short E. Okay. This is therefore after doing upada dirghatam like Rajan become Rajan, then E, then add, you get a form
Nama.
Namani. That's what that is done. Napumsakalinga is done over. So therefore Nama, Namani, or
Namni.
Namni, then
Yeah.
Namani.
what about Dvitiya? Same thing.
Yeah. Nama.
Same thing will apply. Same form. Nama, Namani, Namni, Namani. Tritiya?
Namna.
Naman plus Ta, what will happen? Ta is A.
Yeah.
Asagya.
Basanya. Therefore, alopa will happen or not, like Rajan happens.
Happens.
Therefore, you will have
Namna.
Namna. Then Naman plus Vyam.
Namabhyam.
That's it. Then it's difficult. Chitraji.
Doesn't look like, but when we close the session, then it looks difficult.
Very true.
Very simple. See, in fact, it is simpler than Pullinga. Only these three you have to know. And here where there is nothing big thing. Upada dirghatvam happens, then you join Sarvanamastana Pratyaya is simple. Here Nakara Lopa happens, you stop with that. Nothing upada dirghatvam will not happen because it is not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Here only we have out and out. Please remember where that out and out should be replaced by E.
Yes.
Then upada that akara lopa is optional
Both
to forms.
Hmm.
And here also note for Napumsakalinga, Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, just and shes should be replaced by E. That is a common rule.
Yes.
You have to apply all over all Napumsakalinga. That is why palam pale palani. How you get palani E? Because of this E.
Okay.
Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
Simple.
Yes.
So, Janma Janmani. How do you decline Janma Shabda? Janma Janmani.
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 Jamni. Huh? Janmani. Will it happen or not? Yes or no? Janma. The same thing. Janma. Then here. Tell me. Janmani,
Yes.
one form.
The
Other form.
conjunct is
Same
here.
with Makara.
Exactly. That's what I'm asking. Will
Yeah.
happen or not then? Will not
Happen.
happen. This an is a is preceded by a conjunct having a makara at the end.
Both
Therefore,
forms.
no two forms, only one form. Be content with one form. Akara lopa will not happen. Janma Janmani.
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 Janma Janmani. Ditya Vibhakti also same thing. Tritiya onwards, same as Nam Rajan Shabda. Here what will happen? Don't do the lopa of akara. Will not happen for Janman Shabda because it is preceded by Janmana, Janmabhyam, Janmabihi, Janmane, Janmabhyam, Janmabhyaha. Simple. We'll see. Continue that class. Okay. Understand, right?
Yes.
Is it difficult?
Simple.
You have to say simple, huh? Yes. Good.
Take it
Very-
to you.
Very simple. So Janma, therefore Janma is what Shabda now, what Linga, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam,
Janma is
not
one.
Akaranta Shabda. Because
Nakara.
because we know only Akaranta Shabda, we cannot keep on saying Akaranta Shabda. Huh?
One.
Akaranta Shabda. Napumsakalinga. Janma Janmani, Janmani.
Janmani. One
Janma
and two.
Janmani, Janmani. We will do Janman Shabda next class. I will do it. Today we don't have time. Pitre.
7-1.
4-1.
Oh, sorry.
4-1 Pitra Shabda.
4-1.
Swaha. Ellati Swaha.
Swaha
What
is
Swaha?
Vyaya.
Avyaya.
Not Rama
Cannot
Shabda.
decline. Not like Rama Shabda. Not, it is not Swaha, is Swam, Anti Swaha, not that one. Don't think Atmanam Anti Atmaha. Similarly, Swam Anti Swaha. Not like that. Maybe Swam Anti, that is maybe possible. Swam is
Swayam.
Napumsakalinga, but it is not that one. Swaha is Swaha only, indeclinable.
Swahan Shabda.
We don't have like that. The language, Swamanti, Atmanamanti, Atmaha is. You can say Swamanti, Swaha also you can say. Why not? That's it. Swamanti is, Swaha may be possible. Okay. Destroying oneself. Like Atmahan, Atmaha, Vinihanti, Asadgrahat, Vivekachudamani, Isa. Swaha may be possible, but Swaha is Vyaya. Tasam.
So what is Swaha Shabda?
3.
Swaha is indeclinable.
In decline.
This Ha is not Handatu. Okay.
Okay.
It is indeclinable. Tasam.
6-3, Saranji.
Tad
Of-
Shabda. Strilinga.
Then what?
Tad
Strilinga,
Tad
Tat
Shabda,
Shabda.
Strilinga.
Tad Shabda.
Upanishatsu. Brahma Vidyayam.
7-3.
Strilinga.
7-3.
Upanishad,
7-3.
Srilinga Shabda, 7-3.
7-3.
Only what Sandhya has applied here. Justvam. Once upon a time we saw, we have to continue that.
Upanishad, then Tha.
Justvam followed by Chatvam. Marutaha, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
6-1.
6-1.
5-1
1-3.
No,
also.
1-3, 1-3 and 2-3.
1-3, 2-3,
5-1.
5-1 and
6-1.
6-1.
6-1, 8-3 also is there.
8-3.
8-3 is also.
Punar,
Avyaya.
Avyayam.
declinable. Indriyaya,
Indriyaya.
Ramaya.
Indriyanam.
Indriyani Shabda.
Indriya Shabda, what linga?
This is this Napumsakalinga.
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 Indriya plus Su, what will happen? Su will be replaced by, Su will become Lopa, replaced by something. Just now I said, for
Yeah.
Akaranta Shabda, Su is replaced by A plus A is A only, not become
Indriyam.
Dirgha.
Yes.
Therefore, Indriyam. And what about Au, 1-2? Replace it by
Ikara.
E.
E. A plus E is
A.
Indriya. Indriya plus just Saranasana Pratyaya, which we have not seen, but anyway, we'll see now. What happens?
E.
Just will be replaced by E.
Aswa.
Just now we saw.
Aswa.
Here we have some special rule which is not required for us, but anyway, I'm just saying. But it's similar to Nakaranta. When followed by, when Saranasana Pratyaya follows the Akaranta, Shabda, we have got one special rule. When Agama comes, when something is added to the Pratipadikam, Nakara.
And
Now it becomes a Nakaranta.
mm.
E follows, right? Nakara. Therefore, what will happen? Upada.
Dirgha Bhavati.
The same thing happens when Saranasana Pratyaya
Indriyani.
follows Upada Dirghatam. How simple you see. You are saying difficult, huh?
Ni.
Nakara plus E becomes,
Natvam.
Indriyani.
Ni.
and Nattam also happens. Indriyani. That's how it gets. Palampale Palani also. One Nakara comes. Because of that, Upada Dirghatam happens. When Saranasana Pratyaya follows. Indriyani, right?
So this is applicable only for Akaranta Shabda or?
Akaranta, Napumsakalinga is special.
Oh.
That is why in the beginning I asked you to memorize. Now we can learn the rules without sutra, apply that, right? Understand? Now Nakara I can connect with this. Similarly, suppose if it is Palam, Pala Shabda, what happens? Pala plus just Pratyaya, Saranasana Pratyaya, which is replaced by
E.
for Napumsakalinga E. Then when Saranasana Pratyaya follows Akaranta, Pratipadikam, one
And
Akara comes.
Ikara comes.
Now
So
Upada Dirghatam
Palan.
Lan.
Palani.
That's what Palani is. Palam Pale Palani. Now you know Pala Shabda also. Palam Pale Palani, derivation itself.
Yes.
Indriyam, Indriyani, same thing. It doesn't happen for Naman. I mean, Naman is, sorry, not Naman. What is that?
Janman.
Naman also happens. Namani, it happens. Yes. right? So therefore Indriyam is Pratama Vibhakti. Yes. Namaskaraha.
One.
Abhyayam.
No. Namaskaraha is indeclinable. Sorry, not indeclinable, declinable. Okay. Namaskara Shabda.
One,
is
one.
1-1.
1-1.
Namaha is indeclinable. Namaskaraha is Namaskaram Karoti. Namaskaraha, Namaskaram, Mama Namaskaraha. You can say my salutations, right? It is decline. It's compound. Namaskara Shabda. It's a compound, declinable. Ekaya
3-1.
3-1.
of the Shabda.
Eka.
Eka.
Eka
Eka.
Shabda.
Eka.
See, numbers also we will see that is there in the file. See, numbers we have from 5 onward, Nakaranta
The
Shabda
Eka,
only.
right?
Eka,
It should
yes.
be
Yeah, Eka is the
Srilinga.
Shabda. Numbers we have Nakaranta Shabda from 5 onwards. Panchan, Saptan, not Shashti, because that is Shad, Shash Shabda. Panchan, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan, Ekadashan, Dwadashan, all Anta. Up to 19. Okay, Navadashan. That also is simple. Nakaranta. Panchan plus Su. What will happen? Not Su, because Bhagavachan always. Panchan plus Su, just will add. What will happen?
Panchasu.
Just will go away. Okay, don't worry about how it goes away. Now Panchan is Nakara also will go away. Therefore, Pancha is Bhagavachanam. 1-1, 1-3. We don't have 1-1, huh? 1-1 or 1-1 or 1-2 not there.
Yeah.
Because already Pancha is many. How can we have 1-1, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam?
Yeah.
Pancha, right? We'll see that. Don't worry about that now. Namami. How do you decline Namami?
Kriyapadam. It is.
It's a Kriya Padam. Don't try with Hari Shabda. Namamihi, Namami, Namamayaha. No, it's a Kriya Padam. Suhrudbyaha.
Namami.
4-1-5. 4-3-5-3.
3-5-3. Suhrit.
Of Suhrut.
Suhrudbyaha. Suhrud Shabda, Pullinga, Nakaranta Shabda, easy, we can decline. Just from 1, Ashum 2 applied. Jalamuchi.
7-1.
Very good.
Jalamuch.
Jalamut Shabda. Devata Yai.
Ramaye. So it should be 4-1.
Yai means 4. It is 4-1. Srilinga, remember. Yai. Tasyai. Tasyai. Ramayai. All Yai. Avinashi. This is a good Shabda. This also can be 1-1 of
Avinashin.
Avinashi.
Avinashin. Avinashi. Avinashi to Tadviddi Yena Sarvam Idam Tatam. Gita. There Gita we have Avinashi. What is with Avinashi then?
7-1.
No. Avinashi to Tadviddi. May you know this to be Avinashi. Why is Avinashi in Avinashin Shabda? Think and answer. Where is Avinashi in the Avinashin Shabda? Shabda is Avinashin. Where is Avinashi in that?
Yes,
1-1.
1-1 is Kari, Avinashi, right?
Out.
Where is Avinashi? Raswai. Anyone? Shabda is Avinashi. When you love Avinashi, it has to be Napumsakalinga. Simple. Just now we saw Janma, Nama. Similarly, this is Inanta. Therefore, in the Gita, there it is Napumsakalinga. Atma Brahma, there is no Linga. Avinashi to Tadviddi. Not Avinashi to Tadviddi in Gita. Avinashi to Tadviddi. Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Avinashin can be declined in all the genders. If it is Avinashin Pullinga Shabda, then Pratama Vyakti Ekavachan will be Avinashi, like Karin Shabda, Avinashinau, Avinashinaha, Avinashinam, Avinashinau, Avinashinaha. If it is Napumsakalinga, Avinashin Shabda, then it is like, not like we have not seen Nikara Nanta, but it's simple only. Same as I can say, Naman or Janman, Avinashi. It is Avinashi. 1-1 of Napumsakalinga Shabda. This is what in Gita is there. Okay. Gitayam. Okay, we will see Avinashin, the Inanta next class. Napumsakalinga we will do it.
7-1.
Gitayam.
7-1.
Shabda.
Gita Shabda.
Gita. Sharirinam.
6-3.
Of Shabda.
Sharira.
Sharini.
Shariri.
Shariram, Sharira,
Sharira.
Napumsakalinga.
If it is
Shariram.
Sharira, then Shariranam it will be Ramanam Shariranam.
Shariri.
Sharirina. So
Very good.
Shariri.
Shari Rin Shabda, Nakaranta. We can take that to be. If you take Pullinga, Shariri, Sharirino, Sharirina.
Hmm.
If you take Napumsakalinga, Shariri. Right? Saptami Bhakti is common for both. Therefore, depending on the context, we have to know. Sharirina, Sharinam. Right? Shariraha asya asti. The one which has Sharira is Sharirin. The one which has Deha, Degin. These examples, I think Dehan, Dehi is there in the Shabda Manjari itself. The document it is there. Then check. Dehi, Degino, Deginaha. Okay. In the Gita also is there. Nityam Dehi. That is the shloka. Dehi. Dehi Nityam Abhadyoyam Dehe Sarvasya Bharata. There in Gita. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Apumsakalinga, we will see. I will do the derivation of Shabda. Yeah, all the Shabda, if you know, it will be very useful later when we do our exercises. It will become handy. Okay. Don't have time today. I think we have to stop here. If you have any doubts? I kept Shabda is, what is that? Sabashitam, other things and all, but no time. We'll see in the next class. You can try Jaman, Variman, Pratiman, Varshman, Shabda, Ananta, Pullinga. You can try. Okay. Any doubts? No. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadaha Sharanji.
Please do homework. You try by yourself. Write all the forms. Then only you get a feel of it. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.